Hello, I'm absolutely thrilled to be here today because I'm about to share something that's going to completely change how you think about the restaurant industry. Picture this: you're craving that perfect dinner out. You call your favorite restaurant and nothing. The phone rings endlessly. You try again later, busy signal. Finally, someone picks up, sounds completely overwhelmed, puts you on hold for what feels like forever, and when they come back, they book you for the wrong time or worse, your reservation just vanishes into thin air. Sound familiar? Well, here's the shocking reality behind that frustration. Restaurants are hemorrhaging $29-37 billion annually. Yes, you heard that right, nearly $30 billion, simply because they can't handle their phones properly. Now, while everyone in Silicon Valley is obsessing over the latest app or digital platform, here's what blew my mind. 37.6% of diners still prefer the good old-fashioned phone call to make their reservations. But here's the kicker: 31% of those calls end up as missed reservations. That translates to $163,000 in lost revenue per restaurant every single year. I lived through this nightmare myself, calling restaurant after restaurant only to end up in smoking sections I never requested, dealing with staff who seemed more annoyed than helpful, or watching my carefully planned date night disappear because somehow my booking just evaporated. That's when lightning struck. I realized this wasn't just my personal frustration as a customer. This was a massive, completely overlooked market opportunity hiding in plain sight. While everyone else was chasing the digital transformation wave, they'd completely missed where the real money was bleeding out through unanswered phone calls. Here's what's broken. Human staff miss calls during peak hours because, well, they're human and busy serving actual customers. Manual booking creates double bookings and errors. No-shows devastate revenue because there's no intelligent follow-up. And restaurants have zero customer intelligence from phone interactions. The result? Independent restaurants with limited staff are literally watching money walk out the door every time their phone rings unanswered. We're talking about a $13.05 billion serviceable market that's been completely overlooked. TableWise.ai is the first AI-native restaurant operating system that transforms every phone call into confirmed revenue and customer intelligence. We've built two integrated products that work together seamlessly. First, our AI reservation assistant, a voice agent that answers 99.9% of calls, confirms bookings in under 50 milliseconds, and offers intelligent alternatives when times aren't available. We're processing 1,000 reservations per second with zero double bookings. Now, let me tell you about our secret weapon, our custom restaurant CRM platform. This isn't just another contact database. We've built a comprehensive customer intelligence system that captures and analyzes every single customer touchpoint from the moment they first call. TableWise CRM automatically builds detailed guest profiles, including dining history, seating preferences, special occasions, dietary restrictions, spending patterns, and even their preferred conversation style. When Mrs. Johnson calls for her anniversary dinner, our system instantly flags that she always orders the wine pairing and prefers the quiet corner table by the window. The platform includes automated marketing campaigns, loyalty program management, predictive analytics for demand forecasting, and real-time revenue dashboards. Now, here's where things get interesting for investors who understand the future of software development. We built our entire CRM platform using what I call vibe coding, a revolutionary AI-native development methodology that's about to change everything. Instead of traditional coding, where developers spend months writing line after line of code, we used Bolt.new as our AI programming engineer. Think of it as having a senior software architect working 24/7 who never gets tired, never makes syntax errors, and can iterate on complex features in minutes instead of weeks. Here's how powerful this is. Our complete CRM platform, including customer segmentation algorithms, predictive analytics engine, automated marketing workflows, and dashboard system, was built in just weeks. A traditional development team would typically require at least 6 months to achieve the same functionality. But this isn't just about speed. Vibe coding with Bolt New allowed us to experiment rapidly with different data models, test multiple UI approaches, and optimize performance in real time. When we wanted to add sentiment analysis to customer calls, it took 2 days instead of 2 months. The economics are game-changing. While our competitors are burning through $200,000 per month on development teams, we're achieving the same output for under $50,000. That's 75% cost reduction while maintaining enterprise-grade quality. Here's what makes this a sustainable competitive advantage. Every feature request from our restaurant clients gets implemented within days into the AI voice assistant. When a customer requests custom reporting or integration with their existing systems, we deploy it promptly. Traditional SaaS companies take quarters to ship what we build in days. The AI-first development approach means we're not just building static features, we're creating self-improving systems that become smarter with every customer interaction. For investors, this represents a fundamental shift in how software companies operate. We're not just selling a product, we're demonstrating a new category of AI-native development that delivers 4x faster iteration cycles, 75% lower development costs, and infinitely better customer responsiveness. This is why I say TableWise.ai is a live statement that vibe coding is real and here to stay. We're not just using AI to serve customers, we're using AI to build the business itself. It's meta AI at work, and it's creating technical moats that traditional competitors simply cannot replicate. While they're stuck in waterfall development cycles and expensive engineering teams, we're iterating at the speed of thought. That's not just a competitive advantage, that's a completely different category of business efficiency. Restaurant owners can see which customers drive the most revenue, identify upselling opportunities, and create targeted promotions that actually convert. The magic happens in the integration. Our AI doesn't just book tables, it feeds every piece of customer intelligence directly into our CRM, creating a complete customer journey platform that competitors simply can't replicate. While Toast is still figuring out how to make their POS systems talk to anything else, we're already 3 steps ahead. Let me show you how this works in practice. When our AI handles a reservation call, it processes the conversation in real time, confirms availability instantly, and if the requested time isn't available, suggests optimal alternatives based on the restaurant's historical patterns and the customer's previous preferences. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about revenue recovery. When our AI suggests alternative times, we capture 68% of potentially lost bookings. The technical foundation is bulletproof. Edge-native architecture, utilizing Cloudflare workers, delivers 99% uptime with military-grade reliability. And here's the beautiful part, zero POS integration required. We deploy in days, not months. TableWise.ai MVP demonstrates a 99% success rate in live restaurant environments. We're handling 10 concurrent calls with automated test suite validation. Here's what I'm truly proud of. TableWise.ai is a live statement that vibe coding is real and is here to stay. We've built enterprise-grade infrastructure using modern AI development methodologies that many of our competitors thought impossible. We have 10 restaurants ready for 30-day free trials as soon as our seed funding closes. Our multi-tiered SaaS model captures value at every level. AI assistant pricing ranges from $300 to $700 per monthly license, plus 0.23 to 0.27 per reservation. Our CRM platform adds $200 to $400 per month, and we project a 30% attachment rate by year 3. Unit economics are exceptional. $6,291 average revenue per restaurant annually, 90% gross margins, 3.32 months CAC payback period, and greater than 5x LTV to KC ratio. The market opportunity is massive, a $29-37 billion total addressable market, TAM in missed phone reservations and a $13.05 billion serviceable available market, SAM, targeting restaurants with 100 seats or fewer. We're targeting 6,400 restaurants for 8% market penetration, achieving $40.26 million in ARR by year 3. This positions us perfectly for Series A based on proven unit economics and customer success metrics. While OpenTable dominates online bookings and Toast handles POS, no single company owns the complete phone-to-loyalty customer journey. Our competitive moats are substantial: real-time voice processing that others can't replicate, proprietary customer data network effects, and zero integration friction, creating switching cost advantages. Most importantly, I learned that AI makes mistakes, and I, as the project owner, must catch them. This insight drives our quality-first approach that maintains 99.9% accuracy even in noisy restaurant environments. Our edge-native architecture creates technical barriers that traditional competitors simply cannot overcome. TableWise.ai founder and CEO Eugene Platon is bringing 15 years as a product architect and former ESSEO, search engine optimization, leader at a publicly listed Norwegian tech company. His dual expertise in engineering and growth uniquely positions TableWise to scale rapidly while maintaining technical excellence. He built high-performance systems and understands both the technical challenges and market dynamics needed to dominate this space. TableWise development approach, utilizing AI-powered methodologies and extensive consultation with the hospitality industry, ensures that we're building exactly what restaurants need. TableWise.ai next phase focuses on 3 strategic directions. First, continuous development and professional bug fixes using Bolt.new and GitHub branches for enterprise-grade reliability. Second, bootstrap organic growth through ESSEO optimization to acquire customers cost-effectively and prove scalable acquisition channels. Third, this fundraising round is to accelerate market penetration and product development. We're seeking a $1.5 million safe with a $10 million post-money valuation cap. We're raising $1.5 million to dominate real-time voice reservations, 50% for engineering to scale our infrastructure, 30% for marketing to target customer acquisition, and 20% for sales to drive customer success. This positions us for $6.2 million ARR within 18 months and a strong Series A based on proven metrics. We're not just building a product, we're establishing the voice infrastructure that will power hospitality's future. TableWise.ai answers 99% of restaurant calls, confirms reservations in real time, and recaptures $163,000 per year per site from missed revenue. Let's discuss how TableWise.ai will convert 6,400 sites into $40.26 million ARR by year 3. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your questions.